All right, so in this video I'm going to be simplifying this particular arithmetic expression. The first thing that needs to be done, I've always said in the previous, like I said in the previous video, is whenever you have mixed fraction, before you even apply the PEMDAS, you need to convert all of them, turn them to their improper fraction equivalent. So for this one now, we have 2 times 2, that is 4, plus 1, that is 5. So we have 5 over 2, then plus 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4. That is 4 over 3 of, then open bracket, 6 times 1, 6 plus 5. That is 11 divided by 6, then minus 1 over what? Over 3. So let me explain something. Whenever you see off represents multiplication. So it's very important that that is mastered. So let's now rewrite this. This one can now be written as 5 over 2 plus 4 over 3 times, open bracket, 11 over 6 minus 1 over 3. So now we now apply BODMAS. BODMAS. So BODMAS tells us that we prioritize the content of the bracket before anything. So the content of the bracket is 11 over 6 minus 1 over 3. So we take the LCM. Basically, the LCM here, we can use 6. Because 3 will go in 6 and 6 will also go in 6. There's no need for me to now say 6 times 3, which is 18. That may not be necessary, okay? So 6 divided by 6, 1 times 11, that is 11. Minus 3 and 6, 2. 2 times 1, that is 2. So this particular part gives us 11 minus 2. That is 9 over what? 9 over 6. 9 divided by 6, 3 and 9. That is 3. And 3 divided by 6, that is 2. So everything inside this bracket has been reduced to 3 over 2. So the next thing we need to do is to now rewrite this expression. We now have what? 5 over 2, then plus 4 over 3, then times 3 over 2. So according to BODMAS, we've evaluated the bracket. That one is gone. That is what we did here. Then order or of or exponent. And that one, we don't have it there. Division, do we have? No. Next one is multiplication. So we prioritize this aspect too. So we take the multiplication aspect, excuse me. We take the multiplication. So let's do the multiplication. We have it there. So 3 cancel what's 3. 2 here 1, 2 and 4. That is what's 2. So what we have left is 5 over 2 plus 2 over 1. So what we do is find LCM, which is what's 2. 2 divided by 2, 1 times 5, 5. Plus 1 divided by 2, 2 times 2, that is 4. So 5 plus 4, that is 9 over 2. So 9 divided by 2 will give us 4.5. Or how many 2 can we see in 9? That is 4. Remainder what? Something over 2. So 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So that is 4 whole number, 1 over 2. So that is the answer to that problem. Please endeavor to subscribe to this channel to see more of these videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.